It's back to calendar time. All right, let's talk about what month we're in. Yes, we're still in August. And what year is it? It's still 2020. All right, next we're going to figure out today's date tag. So let's say our shape pattern so we can figure it out. Say it with me. Ready? Square, triangle, triangle, circle. 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 What comes after circle? Think. If you said square, nice job. Let me move a square over. All right, yesterday we had a 24 on the date tag. What number comes after 24? It's 25. Good. All right, so let me get my number in place. We need a 2 and then a 5 because whenever I say 20, the first number is a 2. All right, so let me kind of center him as best I can. That looks pretty good. All right, let's say our date all together. Ready? August 25th, 2020. All right, we're going to practice writing that. When I write August, since it's the name of a month, am I going to start with an uppercase or lowercase letter? Uppercase. All right, so I need an uppercase A, and then a U, G, U, S, T, and then I need my finger space. And then I find the number on the date tag, which is right here. What number is that? 25. And then I need a comma. And then another finger space. And then I need the year. What year is it? 2020. So that's what we've written. Now, I want to point out I have a finger space here and a finger space here. That's really important. So if we said it all together, we would say today's date is August 25th, 2020. All right, let's figure out the day of the week. So we're going to go to today's date tag, and then I'm going to go straight up. So think, what's today's day of the week? It's Tuesday, right? And it's the name of the day of the week, so we need to start also with a capital T. U-E-S-D-A-Y. All right, so today is Tuesday, August 25th, 2020. Now, if I go up here, here's today's Tuesday. If I go back one, that's going to tell me what yesterday was. What was yesterday? Think. Yesterday was Monday. Good. All right, I want to know what tomorrow is, so I'm going to go back to today and I go forward one. What's tomorrow? Think. It's Wednesday. Time to sing our Days of the Week song. Here we go. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, how many days of the week are there? If you're not sure, you can count them. There are 7. Time for our months of the year song. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. And how many months of the year are there? There are 12, right. And what month is August? That's the month we're in now. What number is that? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. August is the 8th month. Time to count to 100 again. All right, you guys can choose what activity you want to do. Anything, just make sure you're counting. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100! Yay! Great job counting. Okay, let's see if you can remember. If a number has the word teen in it, like 15, what number comes first? It's the 1. So look at 13 starts with a 1. 14 starts with a 1, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 all start with a 1. And what number does 11 and 12 start with? They also start with a 1. Good job. Let's figure out how many days we've been in school today. First, we have to know how many days we were in school yesterday. Look at the number. Right, it was 26. Okay, so if we add one more linking cube to our linking cubes here, that'll help us determine how many days in school we were in today. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to add it to the top. And let's take a look and see what we have. All right, how many towers of 10 do I still have? Right, it's still 2. So I'm going to leave this number alone because this says we have 2 towers of 10. All right, let's see if our ones changed. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so our 6 needs to change to a 7. All right, how many days have we been in school today? 27 days. Nice job.